Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you guys are tuning in at. On this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to apply the smart money concepts with the Harmonic scanner, right? Just having that double confirmation in our favor. Okay, but first things first, you guys need to understand that smart money does not trade on these smaller time frames, right? Only retail traders are looking and doing their analysis on the smaller time frames. Okay, so when coming to the Harmonic scanner, do not scan for 15-minute time frames. Scan for 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily, right? The higher the time frame, the better, in my opinion. So look for daily or 4 hours, but if you don't find one at that current moment, just scan for an hour time frame and just break it down as I'm about to show you here in just a moment. So I'm just gonna click on a random one. Let's look at CAD JPY. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull up my tradingview.com. We're gonna pull up that same pair, CAD JPY. All right, have some old markups on there. We're looking at it on the hour time frame. So the first thing I do is I will come and I will draw this same pattern, right? Obviously this move has already happened, but I'm just gonna show you how we could have caught this move right here based off of the pattern that the scanner provided for us, right? So if I go to my time frame, I'll show you exactly where they had marked up, right? This is the pattern that they were looking at, right? But now how can we apply the smart money concept with this pattern? Okay, I'm gonna make this a little lighter so we can do our analysis, right? But you guys will still see the pattern. So basically, I'm taking the trade idea and trade setup that the scanner gave me, but then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna draw it up on my own chart, and then I'm gonna do and apply the smart money concept within this pattern. All right, so I'm actually going to delete this and I'm gonna do a little replay for you guys. All right, so if we're looking at the market where the market is right now, what do we see, right? Understanding smart money concept, you got to first identify these equal lows. Okay, we know money's down there. Okay, not only that, zooming out, we have this big push up, and then we have more or less a distribution phase, right? Consolidation, right? Before the market may want to continue to the downward side. Okay, but then noticing that, you can see we have equal highs up in here, right? And we have some equal highs up in here as well. Okay, so noticing that, we can go draw our money signs. All right, we can draw one up here as well. We're not going to worry about that, but immediately I noticed this big up candle right here before this down move, right? Why do I notice this big up candle? Because I noticed there's a lot of money sitting right in here, right? Inducing both sellers and buyers, right? So what these two candlesticks did is it wiped out both sides. It shot up to wipe out the sellers, and then it shot right down to wipe out the buyers, right? So this candle that I highlighted is that last up candle before that down move, right? So simply I'm going to delete this to make it a little more clean. I like my charts really clean, right? We can clearly see that there's liquidity to the both sides, right? However, the market is in an overall uptrend. It now looks like it is coming into a distribution phase, right? So now that we have identified our point of interest candle as well as where liquidity sits, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my areas of entry off of my point of interest candle, okay, which are going to be in there. Okay, now another confirmation, and guys, it's all about stacking these confirmations on top of each other, right? From there, I'm going to draw my fib from the high to the low, right? And as you can see, what plays right in that area, we have that 88.6 and that 79% zone. Okay, so right up in here is going to be our entry to the sell side, right? We have so many things telling us that this market wants to continue down, right? So as I go ahead and play this, you can see that the market did exactly that, right? But that's where the opportunity for us to enter within this zone was exactly where that harmonic pattern laid. Right, it was right in there. I'll make it a little bit brighter for you guys so you guys can see, right? So you can see that harmonic pattern that we got from the scanner lined up perfectly with our smart money concepts. Now, when you can identify things like this is where it gets really powerful, right? If I continue to play it out, you guys can see the result of what happened, right? Play. All right, so it tapped off of that multiple times, as you can see, but we would have caught this first initial move. You know, if you sold it from the 50%, you know, you're only looking at a 7 pip drawdown for a nice 30 pip gain, right? But if you held on to the trade, you know, potential 60 plus pips. Okay, but you guys get the concept that you can simply take the Harmonic scanner's ideas, right? Plug that into your own chart and apply the smart money concept with it and see if it aligns. If it all aligns, go ahead and take the trade. But remember, price and time is everything, right? My trading window is from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m., right? Don't go on the Harmonic scanner at 5 p.m. and go ahead and take a trade just because it's lining up with the smart money concept. You need it within that time frame, right? So come on, wake up early, stay up late, whatever you need to do. Go on to the Harmonic scanner from anywhere from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. Apply the scanner with the smart money concepts and watch what you find out and watch how powerful this really is. But I'm going to leave it at that, guys. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I got you. But much love. Talk to you guys soon.